Once upon a time, in a land where dragons roamed the skies, there was a young dragon who grew up in poverty. His home was barren, and his kingdom struggled to survive. Determined to change the fate of his kingdom, the young dragon embarked on a long and arduous journey. His goal to find the legendary magic mountain of gold, hidden far away in a mystical land. Along the way, the dragon faced numerous trials. He braved fierce storms, navigated through treacherous landscapes, and battled against dangerous creatures, each step bringing him closer to his goal. Finally, after many hardships, the young dragon discovered the magic mountain of gold. Its dazzling brilliance filled him with hope for his kingdom. But guarding the treasure was a colossal cyclops. A fierce battle ensued, testing the dragon's strength and courage. The battle was long and grueling, but the dragon's determination and bravery prevailed. He defeated the Cyclops and claimed the gold. With the treasure in his grasp, the dragon returned home. His fellow dragons rejoiced, for now they could barter and trade for food, water, and other essential goods. Through his journey, the dragon grew not just in strength, but in wisdom. He evolved into the wise and powerful Dragon King, a beacon of hope and prosperity for his kingdom. And so, the Dragon King imparted his wisdom to his kingdom, ensuring a future of peace and prosperity. And thus the kingdom thrived under the wise rule of the Dragon King, a testament to the power of perseverance, bravery, and wisdom.